This is the Kawasaki bike Fox VRS and features I'm telling you about it. Features are it does get this LED lights, dipper, front ended disc brake, and yeah, LED lights, dipper, front end disc brake, yeah. Lights are there, dipper is there. Yeah, tires are showed you. Tires are there. Versus badging Kawasaki. VRS badging. Yeah. Yeah, it will start I think. Yeah, it turned on. The lights I'll show you. Lights are this one, yeah. Lights this one, yeah. These are light fox. LED lights. This is the digital cluster and KTRC Z and gear KTRC Z. Fuel option low, trip D 40 kilometers, 0 kilometers, time ABS MM. Yeah. ABS and time. What is the cluster? Yeah, Kawasaki badging, Kawasaki versus yeah. Lights are there. Number plate area LED. Light. Yeah. Light is there. Yeah. Light is there. Yeah. This is the front look Fox of the Kawasaki versus bike. Features I'm telling you: LED light, dipper, and front and rear disc brake. LED light, dipper. Yeah.